Two men remain in jail facing new murder charges in the death of a local teenager. We're learning more about what led authorities to file those increased charges.
Police say 15-year-old Mezmariah Wilson was killed in a shooting in Carlisle. It happened in June near the elementary school. Wilson was a student at Terre Haute South Vigo High School. People who knew her have told us how she was sweet and full of hope.
We told you yesterday judges in Sullivan County increased the charges against the two suspects. Today, News 10 obtained the new court records in the case. They
give us a clearer picture about what they believe happened that night. News 10's Blake Dollier joins us now live from the newsroom to explain.
Patrice Rondrell, these are the documents that Indiana State Police filed with the Sullivan County courts that led them to believe that more serious charges in this case were warranted. The court documents paint a picture that the people involved were prepared for a fight the night Mezmariah Wilson died. Since June, investigators have continued reviewing evidence and witness statements. Investigators say Matthew Earl and Kyle Johnson received a request from a third party to help in the fight. Several people met in Carlisle for what was supposed to be a fist fight. We know the incident turned deadly when people started shooting. In an interview with police, Earl said he had a 9mm pistol with a laser on it. He said Johnson had a semi-automatic pistol. Earl said he fired 5 times into the dirt. He says Johnson then fired 15 rounds towards a group of people. Police found matching casings at the scene and at a firing range in Poland, Indiana. According to police, Earl and Johnson practiced firing their weapons at the range earlier in the day of the shooting. Casings from the scene matched a gun police found at Earl's house. Several witnesses told police information that matched Earl and Johnson being the shooters. With all of this in mind, authorities asked for the charges to be increased. Indiana State Police Sergeant Matt Ames gave me a brief statement on the time that has passed in this investigation.
Upon the conclusion of their investigation, they were able to provide that information to the Sullivan County Prosecutor's Office. Upon the Prosecutor's Office reviewing that information, the additional charges have been filed.
Police say that Earl did not have a handgun license. Both men will be held without bond. Reporting live in the newsroom, Blake Dollier, News 10.